Welcome to English Second Language Objective Type Question Answers. First one. Four alternatives are given in each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternatives and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. First one. Read the given sentence and choose the language function. Get down at the car circle, walk a few yards on left. You find CPI's office. Get down at the A. Instruction, B. Order, C. Giving direction, D. Suggestion. Answer C. Giving direction. Second one. Read the conversation and choose the passive form of the underlined sentence. Teacher, who will sing a prayer song? Students, Shobha will sing a prayer song. Options A. The prayer song is sung by Shobha. B. The prayer song will be sung by Shobha. C. The prayer song would be sung by Shobha. The prayer song was sung by Shobha. Answer C. The prayer song would be sung by Shobha. Third one. Choose the appropriate question tag. They are coming. Dash. Options A. Do they? B. Don't they? C. Aren't they? D. Are they? Answer C. Aren't they? Fourth one. Choose appropriate if clause. Fill in the blank. Kumar, Somu, have you got seat in the college? Somu, no brother, my score was little less. Kumar, oh sorry, if you had scored well, you dash got seat in the college. Options A should have, B would have, C would not have, D should not have. Answer B would have. Second one, do as directed. Fifth one, fill in the blank with appropriate tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. Mohan is my friend. He dash bracket B plus work in the post office. Answer works. Mohan is my friend. He works in the post office. Sixth one, fill in the blank with correct preposition. Don Anselmo stared dash the storyteller for a moment. Answer at. Don Anselmo stared at the storyteller for a moment. Seventh one, write the correct form of the word given in the bracket. The story was very dash bracket interest. Answer interesting. The story was very interesting. Eighth one, choose the correct auxiliary verb and fill in the blank. One of my friends dash bracket is or are Mohan. One of my friends is Mohan. Ninth one, fill in the blanks with suitable linker. Think well dash you speak. Answer before. Think well before you speak. 10th one, fill in the blank with correct phrasal verb. We dash bracket look up or look into dictionary for the meaning. Answer look into. We look into dictionary for the meaning. 11th one, read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into reported speech. Shopkeeper, sir, what do you want? Customer, I want 5 kg sugar. Shopkeeper asked the customer, what did he want? Twelfth one, frame a question to get the underlined words as an answer. The guest distributed the prizes. Answer, what did the guest distribute? 13th one, which one of the following word has 2 syllables? Tree, boy, moon, prepare. Answer, prepare. 14th one, write the opposite of the underlined word in the given sentence. Lalita is lean but her sister is dash. Answer strong or fat. 15th one. Combine the word in column A with its collocative word in column B. A. Strong. Options: milk, coffee, water, buttermilk. Answer coffee. Strong coffee. 16th. Identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. Lata is a beautiful girl. Answer beautiful adjective. Third one. The following statement has two errors. Edit the statement and rewrite it. 17th one. Baleshwar grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. A. Punctuation mark to be corrected. B. Verbal mistake to be corrected. Punctuation mark. Train apostrophe S. Pull pulled. Thank you.